Hello, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuche Azeru Oziri. Today I wan talk to women, whether you be married woman or you no be married woman. So far say you be woman, na you I dey tell this one give. Nothing like, okay, my own name na Hope Azinuche Azeru Oziri. My husband name na Azeru Oziri. Nothing like, my name no be Mrs. Azeru Oziri. No be my name be that. You know why? Anybody fit be Mrs. Azeru Oziri. No be my name be that. Or you say, if I wan write my name for paper, I come say Mrs. Azeru. Anybody fit be Mrs. Azeru. Anybody fit be Mrs. Azeru. Married women make una know how to dey write una name. My name na Hope Azinuche Azeru Oziri, and anything wey my name dey appear for, anywhere wey my name dey appear, na so my name go appear. My name no go appear as Mr. and Mrs. Azeru Oziri. Anybody fit be Mr. and Mrs. No, anybody fit be the Mrs. there. So try dey put your name, make your name dey follow for anything wey you dey write. Your name no be Mrs. That one no be your name. Mrs. na title. Mrs. na title. So if you call me Mrs. If you wan turn na any I wan take, if you call me Mrs. Azeru Oziri Hope Azinuche. I no really understand, but no remove your name. Now wetin make me dey talk dis thing be say, so many cases don come where women dey follow their husband, or dem think say dem follow their husband buy property, but when you don check the documents of that property, the paper, you go see say true true the woman no follow buy am. She no follow buy am no because say her money no dey, but because say dem no do am well the way e suppose be. Anything wey you dey do with your husband wey you know say your money follow for there, una wan buy something or anything una wan do, the right way to write that name na Amudike Blessing. Amudike Blessing Ifoma. Or okay, no, make I start with the man. If your husband name na Amudike Timothy, Amudike Timothy, your own name now go be Blessing Amudike, or Blessing Timothy, or Blessing Amudike Timothy. It depends how you wan take write your name. Your name no be Mrs. Amudike Timothy. No be your name. No be your name. And as woman wey you be, if you wan follow your husband buy any property, make sure say your name follow for the property. E dey legal, na so law talk am. Dis one no be say e be bad wife, dem go say e be bad wife or e be good wife. No, na you now to do the right thing. Make sure say your name dey for the name of that property. Make sure say your name dey there. Make sure say your name appear the way your name suppose be. And you too wey be young girl wey you never marry, no carry your money, pack money like this, give your boyfriend because him promise you marriage. Dem go serve you breakfast. You pack money like this, go give your boyfriend, say go buy property for us. No. If you and your boyfriend bring money together and wan buy property, make sure say your name show for that property. Make sure say your name show there, and as your name show there, whether you and am marry or you and am no marry, you no go fit sell am without him no tell you. You no go fit do anything for the land without him no tell you. Because we don see plenty cases wey be say woman wey dey do well, wey dey get her own money to go carry money give man, make man go buy property. Tomorrow if the man no marry am, her name no dey for property, the property go go like that. No, make una, you see, people don wise, world don open, people eye don open. Before you do anything, try dey consult lawyer, make lawyer tell you, make lawyer guide you, hold you for hand, tell you wetin you go do. No dey do things anyhow when you go fit consult lawyer. No dey do things anyhow. So you wey be especially married woman, you wey be married woman, next time wey person wan write your name, tell the person your name. Especially for things wey be illegal something, tell the person your name. Wetin be your name? No say some people dey even talk am whether dey fit dem dey even talk am with pride, whether dem dey feel say na pride or dem no know say na mumu liti dem dey do. Yeah, what's your name, madam? Person go say I am Mrs. Azeri Oziri. Mrs. Azeri, is that your name? Your name is Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Put your name, you have a name, you get name, put am there. Na so e suppose be. Thank you. Watch and share. Watch and share, watch and share. No just watch dey keep am to yourself. Watch and share. Thank you.